Shivani Kapoor and welcome back to my channel. So it's a quick get ready with me because I was going out for some work and I thought let's do some makeup. So I've recently ordered some interesting products that I'm going to be trying in this video. So let's begin. Before I start my makeup, I'm going to be talking about the two hero products of this video. You can see a lot of pimple game going on my face. So to manage this, I have come across two products from the brand called Derma Co, and I think it's a great brand for skincare. The first product is this niacinamide face serum, guys, and it claims that it helps in reducing the acne marks, and I was strongly looking out for something that can help me get rid of these acne marks. I'm honestly sick of it. I am using this product, guys, from last couple of weeks and I can see some noticeable change. I mean, they have got a little lighten up, so I think it's really working for me. All I need to do is just cleanse my face nicely and use 2-3 drops of it on my entire face and neck. I use it overnight. Let me show you the packaging of it, guys. It comes with this dropper and then there's a bottle of it. So I'm gonna apply this on my face, after which I'm gonna just moisturize. It's so smooth, guys. All their products are fragrance free, so they don't have any smell, which is so great. Next interesting product is this salicylic acid patches, and this is very helpful for all those active and inflamed acne. This will help them settle it out in just few hours, guys, not a full day. It comes in a packaging like this and it has 12 patches. So currently I am not having any active pimple, but in case you have, you can try this out. It's very easy to use. You just need to cleanse your face and then apply this, and I think it will do its job by its own. It's gonna do wonders to your skin. Both the products are very useful and it's all my purpose, so you can check these products out, guys, in case you have some active acne or you have some acne marks. Also, every time you buy from Dermaco, they will link your order to the child that they help educate with Bhumi. They have pledged to help 10,000 students across the year, I feel, which is such an amazing initiative, guys. They are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Dermaco website. In case you purchase these products from the Dermaco website, you can avail my coupon code, guys, to get 20% off on your purchase. I'm going to quickly do my skincare, so I'm going to quickly apply my moisturizer and sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important, and especially after Dermaco products, guys, I think I would highly suggest you to put sunscreen. Don't miss it. So the first product that I have is this Bobbi Brown foundation, and I wanted to try this for a very long time because I have heard a lot about this foundation, guys. So this is Skin Long Wear Weightless Foundation, and it claims that it has SPF 15 in it, and also it's a oil-free shine control. I don't have lot oily skin, so I think this can work perfect for my skin. So let's see if this is really a long wear foundation. I have taken 2 pumps. I feel that it's a little bit liquidy. Yeah, I usually use, guys, Estee Lauder one, and it's very thick. So this is really different in terms of the the texture, because it's flowing already. You can see that. So I'm gonna use this much quantity. I'm gonna blend. Ooh, it's a nice foundation, but it isn't covering a lot of my acne. I mean, it has given me some kind of coverage. I might wear 1 layer more, maybe then it will give me a full coverage. The smell is a little weird, but it's fine. So this is my first base layer and I am pretty happy with it. This is not a very thick foundation, guys, and which is why I feel that it has merged into my skin really well, and I don't have to spend too much time in blending because it is already blended well in my skin. Now I'm going to be using the second pump and I'm going to see the coverage. I'm just going to cover this area. By the way, guys, let me tell you the shade of this foundation. This is in the shade beige, and this matches my skin tone really nicely, and I think it just looks so even on my skin, which is why I'm loving it. Though it is very light, not always you feel like wearing so thick foundations on your skin. For days when you feel like wearing a very light kind of foundation, this is what you can use. Next, guys, I have this e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer, and I really wanted to try this because I have again heard a lot about this because it's very thick and it's a dupe of Tarte concealer. I just have to cover some of my under eye area and some of my acne area. Also, this is in the shade medium sand. I am super excited to try this. It's really thick. The stick is also very thick. You can see the applicator. I really need to blend this out before it actually dries out. Guys, it has given me really nice coverage. You can probably see. I think I've given so much of effort in blending this concealer, guys, because it's damn thick. Honestly, you have to blend it as quickly as possible the moment you apply it on your face. If you are looking for any full coverage kind of concealer, this is very best option, I feel. this is me after like blending the foundation and concealer very nicely, and I kinda like it, guys, because I think it has given me very nice coverage, and this is what it is. Next up, I'm gonna try this Swiss Beauty eyebrow palette, and this is how it looks like, and it comes with a chotu sa brush, guys, and it's very cute. You can see, guys, like my eyebrows are super thick and I don't feel like there's a need of it. मुझे कुछ ऐसा चाहिए था जो reasonable हो, because I don't use this as often. So I'm gonna use this light brown shade of it. I think it's gonna match like my hair color also. It is really nice color. Like it has two colors, guys, dark brown and the light brown, and I think both of them are good. Like they will match my hair color. I don't think you can probably see any difference, guys, but I'm done. So I really like this. I can highly recommend this to you because the kind of colors and the kind of things that it has. Next up that I have is this Sugar Cosmetic Bronzer Palette. The first thing, guys, मैं ज़्यादा bronzing and contouring नहीं करती हूँ, but still just to give some color to my face, I have ordered this and I wanted to try. And आज मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं ज़्यादा pinky and blushy makeup ना करूँ, but I just want to like go all brown and all bronzed look, like sun-kissed kind of look, and this is how it looks. This color is really nice. It's not like a, you know, like some of the bronzers are like too dark, and this is very light for my skin, and that's what I want actually. I don't want like too heavy bronzer, but I'm gonna like put a little bit more. Like I can go overboard with it as well. It's not gonna look like bad at all. So this is how it looks, guys. Also, I'm gonna put a little bit more on the jaw to give some shape to my face. Like I have tried a couple of bronzers and I could really see the difference. This is what it is. Next up we have is this powder, which is Fit Me Loose powder. I think most of you girls have already tried this, and मैंने भी already use करा है, guys. So my first box was like finished because I've used it a lot in summers, and I've reordered the same one, and this one is in the shade Light, which is number 15. I use it with the blender actually. Like I just dip my blender over here. I don't put a lot. I just put like a little bit on my under eyes, and I think that's it for my like setting up under eyes. I'm really used to it, so मुझे कुछ और try करना ही नहीं है because I really like this one. Next, I'm gonna try this cute little Swiss Beauty eyeshadow. This is a shimmer eyeshadow. This is like a dupe of some product, but again मुझे try करना था, and अभी तक मैंने अपनी eyes पे कुछ ज़्यादा करा नहीं है, so I'm just gonna apply this. If this works, I think it could be great if you are like going on a wedding or something. I don't know if I can do it right, but I hope this will look great. Let me blend this out, guys, because I think मैंने अभी बहुत ही miss कर दिया, but I think I'm gonna blend this with my fingers. In camera, I don't think like it's showing it off, but in real it's looking awesome. So I have done on my other eye as well, and I was just trying to blend with this fan brush, guys. Sorry, please ignore this. I feel thoda sa ye blend karna is a mess, but then once blended, then it's gonna look very pretty on your eyes. Also, guys, this is in the shade like rose gold. There was some other colors available, like there was some gold, there was some silver colors, but I wanted to try like the rose gold one. I like this product but not love it because I think it should be easy to blend, but इस case में it was very hard for me to like ढंग से blend करना. So that's it. I would not rate this product like 10 out of 10, but I would say that this is like a okay product for me. Next up, I wanted to try like this very fancy product. This is kind of like lip injection for lips, and this is from this brand called Too Faced. Guys, मैंने इसके बारे में like बहुत सुना है. Like it just gives you such a nice plumpy lips. I just want to try like if it really works. I mean some kind of like itching once I apply it. So really nervous because ज़्यादा ना हो. Also, it has a very nice fragrance, guys. It's like a ice cream fragrance, honestly. So we have to like keep it for like 10 seconds, and then I can apply my lipstick. Let's see, guys, if it actually gives me that like plumpy lips. Guys, it started itching now. Like I feel so itchy over here. I just want to like get rid of it. I'm gonna try this new lipstick, guys. Look at the shade. It's so pretty. And this is in the shade 09 from the brand Nykaa, and मैंने जब top 5 affordable lipsticks का haul बनाया था, guys, and that also I mentioned 2 new lipsticks. They are beautiful. They're like Helen and Helena, but this I wanted to try because I think the color is great and very different. I don't have this color actually. You can like probably see some difference on my upper lip because मैंने वहाँ ज़्यादा लगाया था. Really loving this lip color, guys. It's giving me such a nice glossy lip color. Oh my god, I'm just loving it. Like it's so different from like nudes. The final product that I have is this NYX setting spray. I was earlier using this setting spray from Sugar Cosmetics and that was very nice. Like, but I wanted to change. I wanted to try something different. So my friend suggested me that NYX one is really great. So I wanted to try, and I'm gonna shake this before I apply. Guys, always like shake your setting spray before you actually spray on your face so that everything just gets mixed up really well. I'm just gonna like put it all over, and it's gonna like. I always try to like use some kind of like blushes on my face because I love to like put blushes, but this time I've just used the bronzer. I'm loving my makeup, guys. This is how my makeup looks like. My experience with all the products was really nice. Like I almost loved everything. All of them are super affordable, guys, except the foundation. The Bobbi Brown foundation was a little expensive. I think that was around like 3,300 or 3,500, I don't remember actually, but you guys can check it out. So this is the final look, and I'm loving my lips actually, guys. It has really worked. The lip injection thing is really up for me, and I think I'm gonna use this now more often. So thanks for watching this video, and let me know in the comment section below if you like this makeup look, guys. In case you like it, do try it at your home, and you can try these products out. In case you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with the more such fun videos. Till then, bye bye.